Hi everyone, are you ready for some stir-fry squid? Yes? Alright, let's do it! For the ingredients, we need 1 fresh onion. Our main attraction, 500 grams of squid, 1 bell pepper and 1 tomato. Also, we need garlic, coriander, green onion. Also, we have oyster sauce, chicken powder, and chili oil. And some pepper. Begin by cutting small lines to create a nice shape. This process requires precision, so take your time and don't cut yourself. Once done, cut in bite-sized pieces. Then, marinate it with 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Also 1 teaspoon of chili oil, followed by 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Then mix it well and marinate it for at least 15 minutes. During that time, cut the onions, the tomato, do the same thing for the bell pepper. Take all the time you need. Then chop the coriander. Then cut the green onion in small pieces. Now chop the garlic. Be careful. In a hot pan, add some oil. Then add the minced garlic and stir a little bit. Now add those delicious squid. Then stir fry it until it becomes almost cooked. Then add the tomatoes and stir it well. The next step is to add the onions and the bell peppers. Then mix it well. Turn off the heat. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Stir a little bit. Finally, add the coriander and green onions. Voila! It's so yummy! Bon appetit!